Ako una ba yung
make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful.
Guwapo nga kayo ka.
sa akong sala?
Ano mga atik-atik? Bayot ka! Bayot ka! Ayaw ka kawayan!
Sila ka? Okay ra. Suma, nasamad lang ka. Nasamad ko, sakit ka. Ayaw. Kaya tambalad ka na. Aray ko.
You may now kiss the bride.
La 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 la. 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 Kabalo sa akong buhaton. Pangitan ko'y tiglain ang akong mana. Ano man mo tulo? Hawaw kayo mo tulo. Go. Pagkigoy, hindi ko swallowing. Laylay na kayo ko. Pangit na kayo ang akong skin. Pangit pagiging akong hair, dry skin and dry everything. Sakit pagiging manibang. Sakit ka ayaw manibang. Ma'am! Dok, doon na ako'y problema nga akong didala-dala. Sunod sa 20 katuikan na mo nakatigo mo ako sa palis na tinikanin mo. Dok, sakit kaya akong mata, gamala. Malaki akong baba. Mga tayo na, Dok, kung sisunod.
Sige, sunod.
Dok, sakit kayo malibang. Dry na kayo akong skin. Ug, Dok, wala na kaya nga akong mga buhok. Kasama ni Dok. Murag ibarang galing ko, Dok. Ug, Dok, isa pa.
Saan na ba? Hindi mo kalugay? Di pati ni sis?
So, sa giingon ko na, Dok, 20 na katuig ako dala-dala ni Sakita. Sakit kay Dok.
Mrs. mo ato ka sa laboratory ha. O niya, kailangan hindi mo ipakita ang papel.
Pinahanglan, bigyan na, Dok.
O kinahanglan yun siya.
Pila ba kayo ito na ko na, Dok?
O dahil lang cashier. Nara Mrs.
Sige, karoon din, Dok.
Hindi ka nag-skip school.
Hindi ka na wala doon. Patay. Doc, ano ang mga results?
Bakit sa imong lab results? Naka-Sjogren syndrome.
Friend!
Wala na siya friend.
Geography! Pumatay na siya kanina. Pero nakakatuwing nila yung kalibutan.
2 years na lang ka, friend. 2 years!
2 months! Today!
Kamusta ka? Mamatay na siya.
Mamatay na ka!
Ano sa friend? Isa pa. Ano kabalo mo?
Wala lang good friend.
Social na.
Social yung baka sa mga kita pero matay na juga ka.
Doc, it's Sjogren's syndrome.
Sjogren syndrome is
I got the magic in me. Every time I touch that track, it turns into gold. Everybody knows I got the magic in me. When I hit the floor, the girls come snapping at me. Now everybody wants a blast of magic, magic, magic.
The immune system normally functions to defend the body against infections caused by bacteria, viruses, and other invading microbes. An autoimmune disease is one in which the body mistakenly attacks its own protective system, targeting cells, tissues, organs, and other systems in the body. Inflammation is the body's basic response to injury, irritation, or infection, usually recognized by pain, redness, warmth, and swelling. As a chronic or ongoing autoimmune inflammatory disease, Sjogren's syndrome is systemic and may also affect multiple parts of the body. For example, when the tear-secreting glands of the eyes are affected by Sjogren's, the quantity and quality of tears are changed, resulting in chronic dry eye. Without normal healthy tears, you may experience uncomfortable symptoms. Sjogren's can also severely impact a person's salivary glands, thus decreasing the quantity and quality of saliva a person produces each day, leading to mild or severe dry mouth. Lack of quality saliva can lead to additional complications, including increased dental caries, mouth sores, and gastrointestinal issues.
Sjogren's syndrome is one of the disorders that occurs most frequently in women, with a ratio of anywhere exceeding 9 to 1, women to men. Having said that, we postulate that hormonal changes with age may be important, but we also know that young children, teenagers, young adults, as well as the traditionally observed postmenopausal women develop Sjogren's syndrome. And it's well recognized that men also can develop Sjogren's, and it is definitely under-recognized in men. And is there anything that you have done in your life, in your health care, that precipitates or predisposes one to have Sjogren's? The answer is a resounding no.
While no one experiences all the possible symptoms of Sjogren's syndrome, they can include fatigue and joint pain, concentration and memory loss, also known as brain fog, dry mouth, mouth sores, dental decay, difficulty with chewing, swallowing, speech, taste, and dentures, dry nose, recurrent sinusitis, and nosebleeds. GI problems such as stomach upset, gastroparesis, autoimmune pancreatitis, heartburn, reflux, and esophagitis, dry skin, vasculitis, and Raynaud's phenomenon, peripheral and autonomic neuropathies, dry eyes, corneal ulcerations and infections, recurrent bronchitis, pneumonia, and interstitial lung disease, abnormal liver function tests, chronic active autoimmune hepatitis, and primary biliary cirrhosis, vaginal dryness, and painful intercourse. Sjogren's can also affect the central nervous system, can cause fetal heart block in babies whose mothers have Sjogren's, and can sometimes lead to the development of lymphoma. That is why it is so important for the patient to be followed by a physician who understands the signs and symptoms of Sjogren's syndrome. Managing your health with Sjogren's syndrome includes the fundamentals of good health for all of us. It's important to eat a well-balanced, anti-inflammatory diet based on the Mediterranean diet model, which includes lots of whole fruits and vegetables, whole grains, less meat and dairy, and very few processed foods. A good exercise plan is very important, tailoring it for what works for you. It may be running, walking, yoga, or Tai Chi, but it should be something you can do regularly and with pleasure.